Drinking water, a very important aspect of our healthy living. Of course, we do not take chances with our drinking water. We either boil the water or use water purifiers. But are you really sure that your purifier is capable of protecting you from all kind of modern day contamination?
Introducing someone who is having answer to all such queries, can brief us the present scenario, can tell us what safe and healthy drinking water is all about. Introducing Quench It, a step towards healthy living.
This is Rishi, a jolly natured family person like many of us. But it seems something is bothering him. Oh, his little princess is suffering from stomachache since last night.
Why is my family frequently suffering? Is my drinking water safe?
This is Emma, a well educated, intelligent person like you. She has come across various concurrent facts while browsing. For example, presence of harmful substances like arsenic, lead, fluoride, etc. in water. Millions of Indian adults and children are suffering from waterborne diseases each year. A fraction of them meet fatal consequences. On the other hand side, India is likely to encounter serious crisis of safe water in near future.
Bring all such facts together, take sincere care of them. It's time to wake up. Start taking your water more seriously than ever before.
This is Neil, planning to purchase a new water purifier, studying and comparing the options as we all do in these days. Unlike other techniques though, reverse osmosis, that is RO based water purifiers removes almost all impurities, but in the process it also loses the needful elements. WHO proves that RO water is bad for your health unless it is remineralized.
So, I should go for an RO water purifier with remineralization feature.
Good job, Neil. You are pretty close. But why don't you also study what kind of water is best for our long and healthy living?
Alkaline water? Not any alkaline water. Alkaline water with negative ORP is having several health benefits, including minimizing the chance of cancer. But what is it?
Let me explain in a simple manner. We all have seen rust on iron or an apple turn brown. But what is the reason? In both cases, the reason is oxidation, or in other words, free radical. Like iron and apple, it also takes place inside our body and damages our cells. Eventually, serious diseases can develop, including fatal cancer. The agent that fights against oxidation or free radicals is called antioxidant or free electron. More antioxidant you have inside your body, more safe you are. Negative ORP indicates the presence of antioxidant in your drinking water.
Okay, I got it. I should go for an RO based water purifier that produces alkaline antioxidant water which is also rich in helpful minerals.
Yes, but carefully select one. Even most of the RO water purifiers are not capable enough.
Introducing Quench It, an RO based water purifier with such wonderful capabilities. Great features, great offers, great benefits.
Quench It under the counter model doesn't affect the operating space and aesthetics of your kitchen. Now you can even do the styling of your RO by your own. Your RO is no more just water purifier. Turn it into memory frame, a precious gift, an inspiration, an art piece, and so on. We are here to frame your imagination in your RO.
My family is protected.
My family is also protected.
My family is protected too.
We are protected. What about you?
You can visit our website www.quenchitro.com. You can call us on 70 540-41444. And for further information, keep tuned into our YouTube channel. Thanks for your visit.